Amazon is an endless sea of gadgets, and let's be honest. While thousands look flashy in a 15-second ad, very few actually survive the junk drawer test. In this video, we're cutting through the noise. We are taking a deep dive into 25 next-level Amazon finds that focus on practicality, masterfully engineered design, and real-world usability. Whether you are looking to overhaul your professional workspace, upgrade your travel kit, or find the ultimate outdoor essential, these are the products designed to solve actual problems and make your daily routines feel effortless. Let's get into it. Number 25. Hoverair X1 Promax Drone. Most drones require you to be a licensed pilot just to get a decent shot. But the Hoverair X1 Promax changes the game by becoming your autonomous film crew. This is a high-performance 8K camera that lives in your pocket. The beauty of this device is its simplicity. It launches directly from the palm of your hand and uses advanced AI to track your movement without you ever touching a controller. Whether you're cycling at 26 miles per hour or hiking through a dense forest, the drone stays locked on you, avoiding obstacles and capturing cinematic footage. It handles wind, snow, and uneven terrain with ease, and the optional cycling combo adds rear collision sensors for a worry-free flight. Number 24. Audient Keyboard Cleaning Kit. If you spend 8 hours a day at a desk, your keyboard is likely a magnet for grime. The Audient Cleaning Kit is a comprehensive, pocket-sized solution to that mess. It's built around a retractable high-density brush that sweeps away debris without scratching your finish. For mechanical keyboard enthusiasts, the included key puller allows for deep maintenance. It also features a precision pen tool for cleaning earbud grills and an integrated microfiber pad to keep your monitors smudge-free. It's a small investment that keeps your high-end gear looking and performing like new. Number 23. CyberDock 3-in-1 Wireless Charging Station. Nothing kills a clean aesthetic faster than a tangled web of cables. The CyberDock station brings order to that chaos by simultaneously charging your phone, smartwatch, and earbuds in one vertical footprint. What sets this apart is the ergonomics. The phone mount rotates, allowing you to keep your device at eye level for calls or to monitor notifications in standby mode. It also features a subtle, dimmable ambient light and an included 30W high-speed adapter, ensuring your entire tech ecosystem is powered up and organized. Number 22. Bayou 6-in-1 Car Jump Starter Kit. Instead of carrying a trunk full of separate, bulky tools, the Bayou system condenses your roadside needs into one modular powerhouse. The base is a high-capacity battery capable of jump-starting heavy-duty engines in sub-zero temperatures. The modular design allows you to snap on different heads to turn it into a high-pressure tire inflator, a handheld vacuum, or even a portable pressure washer. This eliminates the need for separate gadgets, saving you massive amounts of space while giving you the peace of mind to handle emergencies on your own. Number 21. Wooden Book Lamp. Great design is about how a product makes you feel. At first glance, this looks like a beautifully crafted wooden book. But when you open the cover, the pages fan out into a stunning light sculpture that emits a warm, soothing glow. It's completely cordless and rechargeable, meaning you can use it as a centerpiece or a soft reading light anywhere in your home. The spine is flexible enough to fold back 360 degrees, and hidden magnets allow you to stick it to metal surfaces like a fridge. It's a conversation piece that doubles as a highly functional, portable light source. Number 20. SwitchBot Smart Switch Button Pusher. The biggest barrier to a smart home is installation, but SwitchBot solves this with a purely mechanical approach. It's a tiny robotic finger that you tape next to any existing button or rocker switch. Whether it's a coffee maker, a garage door, or a light switch, the SwitchBot physically presses it for you. Through the app, you can set master your mind routines, like having your coffee machine start the moment your alarm goes off. It's the perfect, non-destructive way to modernize your living space in seconds. Number 19. Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug 2. The Ember Mug 2 is the definitive solution for the slow sipper. It doesn't just insulate. It actively heats your beverage to the exact degree you prefer, between 120 and 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Using the smartphone app, you can save presets for different drinks. The built-in battery keeps it hot for about 80 minutes, but if you keep it on the included coaster, it stays at that perfect temperature all day long. It's waterproof, sleek, and finished with a premium scratch-resistant coating. Number 18. 3D Hologram Fan. If you want to add a truly futuristic vibe to your room, the 3D hologram fan is the way to do it. It works by spinning LED-covered blades at incredible speeds. Because the blades move faster than the human eye can track, the LEDs appear to project a high-definition 3D image that floats in midair. It supports Bluetooth audio sync, so your visuals can move to the beat of your music. You can upload your own videos or logos via an app, making it a favorite for gamers and creators who want to stand out. Number 17. CS Propane Fire Pit. Enjoy the warmth of a fire without the stinging smoke or the mess of ash. This propane fire pit packs down into a compact, suitcase-style form factor that's easy to transport. Once you arrive, you simply hook it up to a standard propane tank for instant, smoke-free warmth. It's CSA certified, making it safer to use during fire bans, and includes a heavy-duty cast iron grate that allows you to cook right over the flame. It provides all the ambience of a campfire with none of the cleanup. Number 16. Red Sack Electric Portable Bidet. Personal hygiene is often the first thing to suffer when we travel, but the Red Sack bidet ensures you don't have to settle. Unlike manual squeeze bottles, this is a fully motorized system. It uses a high-efficiency pump to deliver a steady, adjustable stream of water for a much more thorough clean. The design is completely collapsible and leak-proof, fitting into a small pouch in your luggage. It's rechargeable via USB and essential for anyone who values hygiene while hiking or traveling abroad. Number 15. Magnetic SSD enclosure. As smartphone cameras get more powerful, internal storage fills up fast. This magnetic enclosure allows you to attach a high-speed SSD directly to the back of your phone. It uses the MagSafe-style connection to stay secure while you film, allowing the phone to write data directly to the external drive. It's also a full-blown mobile hub, featuring ports for HDMI, SD cards, and USB-C. It even includes an active cooling fan to prevent overheating during long transfers, making it a must-have for mobile content creators. Number 14. Fantic D2 Laser Level. The Fantic D2 takes the stress out of alignment by projecting a razor-sharp green laser cross across your wall. Green lasers are up to 4 times brighter than red ones, making them usable even in well-lit rooms. The self-leveling feature is the real star here. If the device is slightly tilted, the internal pendulum automatically adjusts to ensure the line is perfectly straight. It comes with a 360-degree magnetic bracket, making it the perfect tool for hanging pictures or installing cabinets with professional precision. Number 13. Exter Aluminum AirTag Card Holder. The Exter card holder is the modern evolution of the wallet. Crafted from space-grade aluminum, it's incredibly slim and provides RFID blocking to protect your cards from electronic theft. The highlight is the quick access trigger. With one click, your cards fan out, so you can grab the one you need without fumbling. Most importantly, it features a dedicated slot for an Apple AirTag. If you ever misplace your wallet, you can track it to the exact inch using your phone. Number 12. FunStorm 4K Mini Security Camera. The FunStorm Mini Camera is about the size of a golf ball but packs a 4K sensor that delivers incredible detail. Because it's battery-powered and Wi-Fi enabled, you can place it anywhere without running wires. It features advanced motion detection that distinguishes between people and pets, sending instant alerts to your smartphone. With infrared night vision, it works just as well in total darkness, offering a discreet solution for monitoring your home or office. Number 11. RAK11 in-1 Multi-Tool Pen. The RAK Multi-Tool Pen ensures you always have the essentials on your person. It's a high-quality writing instrument that hides 2 screwdriver bits, a ruler, a bubble level, and a bottle opener within its aluminum body. It even features a bright LED light and a stylus tip for your touchscreen devices. It's the ultimate just-in-case gadget that fits comfortably in your pocket, making sure you're always ready to fix or measure on the fly. Number 10. ThermoPro Wireless Meat Thermometer. Stop hovering over the grill. The ThermoPro uses a long-range wireless probe to transmit meat temperatures back to a dedicated base station from up to 3,000 feet away. Unlike Bluetooth thermometers that lose connection through walls, this uses high-frequency tech to stay connected throughout your home. It allows you to relax while receiving alerts the second your meal reaches the target temperature, ensuring consistent, restaurant-quality results every time. Number 9. Anker Prime Power Bank. The Anchor Prime is one of the most powerful portable chargers available, capable of outputting 250W of power. It can fast charge a MacBook Pro and an iPhone simultaneously at their maximum speeds. It features a digital display showing exactly how much juice is left and how long it will take to recharge. The power bank itself tops off in less than an hour, making it an essential piece of kit for anyone who needs to stay connected while working remotely. Number 8. Revo Smart Cupping Massager. Bring professional recovery home. The Revo Massager automates the ancient practice of cupping, used by athletes to increase blood flow and relieve tension. It adds modern features like adjustable heat and red light therapy to accelerate healing. Smart sensors dynamically adjust the suction level based on your skin's feedback, ensuring the massage is effective and comfortable. It's a compact, rechargeable tool that's perfect for preventing stiffness after a long day or a tough workout. Number 7. Olight Arcfeld Pro. The Arcfeld Pro is a dedicated EDC flashlight that offers much more than just illumination. Its flat, rectangular design is incredibly comfortable to carry in a pocket. It features a high-lumen white light, a Class 1 green laser pointer for presentations, and a UV light for inspections. It's waterproof, drop-resistant, and features a magnetic base for hands-free repairs. It's the ultimate utility light for anyone who needs reliable performance in a slim package. Number 6. Life N3 Pro Electric Shaver. This shaver is where high-end aesthetics meet performance. It features a transparent skeleton window so you can see the high-speed motor working in real time. But it's not just for show. The dual-drive system powers ultra-thin foils that provide an incredibly close shave while minimizing irritation. It's compact, charges via USB-C, and has a premium weight that feels substantial in the hand. Number 5. Fanseong Magnetic Portable SSD. This is the ultimate storage solution for power users. This integrated SSD uses a magnetic mounting system to snap onto the back of your phone, providing up to 2 terabytes of extra space instantly. It's designed for high-speed transfers, moving huge video files in seconds. The aluminum shell acts as a heat sink to keep the drive cool. Number 4. Vienno Food Silicone Couch Cup Holder. The Vienno tray is a brilliant bit of engineering design to prevent spills on your sofa. It's made from heavy, food-grade silicone that drapes over any armrest and stays put. The deep cup holder accommodates mugs with handles, while side compartments keep your phone and remotes within reach. It's heat-resistant and easy to clean. Number 3. BowieWest 66 Pro Magnetic Switch Keyboard. The BowieWest 66 Pro utilizes cutting-edge magnetic switches that allow you to customize the actuation point of every single key. You can make certain keys respond to the slightest touch while others require a firm press. It also supports rapid trigger for faster repeated inputs than a standard keyboard. With a high-quality aluminum knob and gorgeous RGB lighting, it's a high-performance tool that can be perfectly tuned to your specific gaming or productivity setup. Number 2. Top-Tez Gas Leak Detector. Gas leaks can be silent and deadly, and the Top-Tez detector is a professional-grade sensor that lets you sniff out methane, propane, or natural gas. As you move the sensor closer to a leak, the device beeps faster and the visual bars on the screen rise, allowing you to pinpoint the exact source. It's fast, accurate, and a non-negotiable safety tool for homeowners or anyone who works with gas appliances in their RV or workshop. Number 1. Plaud Note AI Voice Recorder. The Plaud Note is the ultimate tool for capturing and organizing information. This ultra-thin recorder snaps to your phone and records both in-person meetings and phone calls with crystal clarity. Using integrated AI, it automatically transcribes the audio and generates structured summaries, action items, and mind maps. It handles the busy work of note-taking so you can focus on the conversation. That brings us to the end of our 25 next-level Amazon gadgets. These products prove that when you choose the right tech, you can truly work smarter, not harder.